Hi YouTubers, how are you today? Today guys, we're making homemade french fries and I'm making some chicken. Wingdings at that, okay? So I'm putting my fries down and I'm gonna tell you guys something that I'm learning through the chef-off. This video is gonna be really good. Anyone who wants to learn how to make homemade french fries and just some regular wingdings that we call them here in Michigan. And I got all flats, guys. Okay, look at this flour I'm using. I'm using Lily White. I was a gold medal girl. I always use gold medal flour, and I tried the white lily flour, and this white lily flour did something. Okay, now chicken wings. My chicken wings has been brined in onion powder, garlic salt, pepper, chicken seasoning, and soul seasoning for over about 28 hours. That's how long this chicken has been in the brine. I poured the water off, guys, and I'm about to fry it in my white lily flour with some chicken seasoning into my flour. And that's all I'm using because I brine my chicken and it's going to be very tasty. So we're going to learn a lot on this channel for these next few months for your holiday food, how to get your food to taste delicious and awesome for the holiday. But this is just a simple, easy go-to meal that we're going to do today. Now let's get rid of all this talking and fry this chicken up, okay? That's what I want to do now, guys. Okay, so let's do that. This is the chicken seasoning that I put into this flour bag, guys. This is all going in there because that's marinated like never before. We brined that chicken, so it's going to be very tasty. So I'm going to shake it up in my flour and put it right into the grease. Ready? All right, we're shaking it up. That's that white lily flour with these wingdings here. Okay? And we're shaking it up. And you're going to put chicken seasoning in there. Okay? And we're going to go in just like that with our chicken. It's hopping and hopping over here. All right? We'll let that fry up, guys, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I just want to kind of move my fries around. Look how these are homemade potatoes called french fries. So we're going to move those around because we're not shaking them because we're not in our deep fryer. You can see when you make homemade fries, sometimes you don't cut everything. So that one got in there like a potato, but it'll be just as good. Okay? Now, back to our chicken. I'm mad at my handle. Okay, guys, look at this. It's ready to flip over. So now you want to flip it. It's something about the crunchiness of a wingding when you have it. I'm just going to flip these over. And I want to cover these with my net, guys, so the grease doesn't splash. So just flip them straight over. Just like that. Okay. We're going to let these babies go for about another 6 minutes and see where we're at, and I'll be right back. All right, we took the fries out. What you want to do now is get some salt and just sprinkle a little bit over there on your fries while they're hot. So we use a little bit of that today. And that's on our fries. Now we're going to go over to our wings, guys. Look at them. They're looking amazing. They're floating to the top. I'm going to give this like 2 more minutes and I'm going to take them out. All right, guys, can you see this? Once your wings start floating to the top, it's sort of like a deep fryer. Your wings are ready. Once they float to the top of your skillet, they're absolutely ready and done. Okay? And remember, these were in a brine. Garlic sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, soul seasoning, and chicken seasoning. They sat for 28 hours in that brine in my refrigerator. So we're going to take them out and put them onto our paper towel. And they're going to stay crispy. Watch. And I'm taking it out so we don't bring as much grease into our plate. That's what we did. Okay? I'm going to put my other load in, guys, and I'll be right back. But look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. This is our last load. And when I come back, I'll just show you the results of everything. I'm just going to drop all of these in. All right? All right, guys. Look at this. Do you see the crispiness on that chicken wing already? And we're just flipping these over. These will be ready in about 5-6 minutes. These all will be ready to come out. But it's something about white lily flour that's all right with me. I love it. I hope you guys will give this a try. Okay? I'll take these, let them fry about another 5 minutes. Take them out and I'll be back. All right, guys, let's take them out. Now, to me, what this chicken look like is when everybody be putting all that egg and stuff on their chicken. On their chicken and their legs and thighs and wings. You don't have to do all of that, but some people like it that way. You know, but if you can get some flour to do this kind of magic for you, I would sure give it a try, guys. White lily is all right by me. Look at those wings. They're absolutely beautiful. Now those stayed down a little longer than those because I wanted these extra crispy. All right, guys, I'm going to set up for my thumbnail. Hope you guys enjoyed this. But try you some white lily. I'm not paid for this. I tried it and I liked it and I wanted to share with my viewers. All right, guys, I'm going to do this thumbnail and I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm finished. This is absolutely delicious. You didn't see me eat it, but it's delicious. Take my word for it. Try it. Tag me or put it in my comments if your chicken turned out like crispy fried chicken like never before. All right? Thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, subscribe to my channel, please. Give me a thumbs up, a comment, and I'll do my best to answer it. You guys have been so awesome to me. I appreciate each and every subscriber that I have. Guys, don't forget to watch those ads. That's important to me. You guys have an awesome day. Don't forget to go get some white lily flour and tell me what you guys think. Everyone have an amazing day. Voila! Bye-bye.